Hey everyone, it's Miles from Polly's Produce and Gardens. Thought I'd do a little update, a little lesson on composting. Get a lot of questions about it, first and foremost, what is it? How can I make it myself? What's it used for and all that. So first, here is finished compost. As you can see, it has a pretty light, crumbly texture. So what this basically is decomposed organic matter. So this is probably all from last year, so it's been in there for a good year or so, and so it is all finished. So this is used for amending soils. It improves nutrient holding capacity, it improves drainage, it regulates soil pH, the bugs love it. It's pretty much the best thing you can do for your garden. So this is the compost when it's almost finished. You can see there's plenty of large twigs in there. I probably just need to take that one out. That's not going to break down, like I want it to, but you still see plenty of whole stuff in there, right? So that's almost finished compost, versus in the bucket, that's the finished compost. So here we have a 3-bin compost system. So this is maybe 40% finished. You can see there's some cardboard in there, which if you rip it up will compost just fine. Some twigs, you can see a lot of pretty whole organic matter, but it's definitely starting to turn that dark color that we're looking for. And then here we have fresh stuff. You can see some watermelon rinds, some kale, some corn cobs and all that. And just zoom in really quick on this here. So this is a compost thermometer. So as you can see, there it is. It's about 90 degrees in there, which is okay, but as you can see, that's steady. I'm looking to get it to 120, a little bit hotter in the active and hot range. So that does is it composes much quicker. The high temperatures kill pathogens in the soil. They will kill seeds, so you don't have stuff you don't want growing in there. So this is the 3-bin compost system. So the idea is you start it in the far left bin, and then you basically transfer everything to the second bin. So you can see here, kind of a mess here, forgive me. There's some chicken wire there. That's just to kind of keep everything together, because you're looking to build your compost pile about 3 feet wide by 3 feet long and about 3 feet tall. And that's how you really get those high temperatures that you're looking for. So it's kind of a mess right now. I'm kind of transitioning, but I'm about to start building a new compost pile. So here, like you can see, there's plenty of stuff in there already, but I'm going to start by building my new compost pile. So here we have some hay bales. I picked these up from a farm out in Pingree Grove. It's only $4 a bale, and even one hay bale is a lot of hay. So basically I'm going to take this hay and I'm going to spread it out on the bottom first, and then I'm going to add some of these wonderful grass clippings. I got 2 whole garbage cans, which to everyone else is just yard waste you pay for, you put on the street, but to me that is gold. So you're looking to get at least a 3-to-1 ratio of browns. This is a carbon source right here, the hay bales, to greens, which is your grass clippings. So this is pretty much the best situation I could be in here. So I'm basically going to layer a bunch of this hay down on the bottom, maybe 4 or 5 inches, something like that. There you go. And then a kind of a thinner layer of the grass clippings. I'm just going to keep making it like a big lasagna. I'm going to build it all the way up to the tippy top of this bin here. And even though it will be all the way up to the top, within probably 1 week or even one good rain, it will settle down at least to the bottom of that second slat right there. See here I have some yard waste from the garden, from Angie's garden actually. A little bag of compost from when we were making some pesto and bruschetta and all that. So that's a little update here. This chicken wire will get put and stapled into the edge to kind of keep everything together when the pile is finished. This is kind of an optional step, but it really keeps everything a little bit more organized and allows you to build that pile in a solid column and get the height you want so you can get those temperatures you want. So if you have any questions, you want some help composting, let me know. Fall is coming up pretty soon here, so start shredding your leaves. You can just use a lawnmower and throw them in a pile. And next thing you know, you got some compost next year to use in your garden. So anyway, thanks for watching and happy gardening.